Are you ready to have your mind derailed? Over the last 3 years, I have been working to completely reinvent the concept of the ghost train. People can expect a heart-stopping experience that includes grand illusion, live action, and special effects that will completely rewrite the rules of what theme parks can do. This experience will take you on a 13-minute journey through fear. My team is set to deliver a revolutionary experience, and guests will be left wondering where perception ends and reality begins.
Behind me in this Victorian warehouse is a 20-metre Victorian train carriage hung above the ground with iron chains. This is a world first, a fully immersive, mind-blowing experience for every passenger.
Over 1,000 specialists have come together to create this experience, and I believe this represents the future for theme parks across the world.